That video turned off, but hey, I'm back with another video. So yeah, it didn't work because it took me too long to turn it back on. And AKA I'm using Android. Should have used my Galaxy, but I used my Android. So now, as y'all can see, I got my 7-Up now. So I will take off this lid. Okay. Yeah. I will take off the lid. Take out the Mentos and drop it in there. Look, y'all. Oh my God, look. Do y'all see that? Look, I'm gonna drink some. I'll drop one more? Yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Okay. Y'all see that? Yeah, I did. You ain't see me drinking it while I was doing it.
Don't get nothing else, buddy, from water.
That was my grandma. She don't want me wasting her pop. Y'all know how they is about stuff that comes to cash. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna drop 2 more. No, 3 more, matter of fact. Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop some more. Hey, y'all, I'll be back. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Oh, y'all, I'm about to eat this last Mentos. I ain't got no more Mentos, so yeah. I'll make another video when I get my extra Mentos. Peace out. Like and subscribe and comment down below. Please get this to 10,000 views. I appreciate it. And this was a lit video. I'm about to put my other video with this video. So first watch the other video, my previous, the one I just did a couple minutes ago. Peace out, YouTube.